going on, everybody? Welcome to Network King. I'm Derek, and today we're going to be covering drives. So a drive is basically an allocated amount of space of memory that you can read and write to. Now I'm sure you're familiar with most of these already, but if you look right here, you'll have local disk, which is what we use most with. We've been working with the most with C drive, user Derek. That's where everything's saved to. Now, if you have a larger desktop, or a larger laptop, then you might have a DVD drive or CD drive, which I don't have on my laptop, but it's okay because I put in my USB drive to give me some extra drives. So, local disk is your main hard disk drive. Then these other two are your optical drives. Now, I'm not sure if you noticed, but the C drive it's always the main disk. We can change it, to the letter G, F, K, Z. It doesn't matter what we change it to, but it's most commonly placed as C and kept as C. And anything else goes in order, D, E, F, G. Now, if you want a little quick tip, tech history, the reason why Windows doesn't use A and B is because back in the day, when Windows was first getting started, A and B was traditionally used for floppy disks. And if you're a big baller, you would have floppy disk A as your primary, and as your secondary, your backup, you would have floppy disk B. And now they just continue at a tradition, I guess. I mean, how cool would that be, though, back in the day? You have a big old floppy disk, and you think you're the coolest person on the block. But anyways, back to the main video. Alright, so enough of this right here. If you want to be able to see all the drives that you have on your device, it's not an easy command to remember, so I recommend writing it down or trying it a couple times. It's WMIC space logical disk get name. Now you can't autocomplete any of these with the tab feature when you're going through, so gotta remember it. Just enter, and voila. So he's gonna give me C, D, and E. Go over here. What do we have? C, D, and E. Now, let's just say you wanted to go into another one of these drives. You're in C right now, but you want to go into the D drive to access the contents on the USB. Well, you can go C, D, backpack, slash, backpack. And it'll back you out of C. Let's try that again. Nothing. Okay, so it's not letting us back out of C. The way you can change into another drive is type in the drive letter, and bam. Letter E, bam, now I'm in the E drive. Bam, now I'm back in the D drive. Bam, now I'm back in the C drive. Voila. So that's how you do that. But alright, let's clear the screen here. I'm going to show you a neat little keyword that you can use. Let me just jump into one of these other directories. User, Derek. Actually, let's go into the desktop. Be a little easier. Whoops. Users, Derek, desktop. Alright, and from here, the keyword is tree. Now, this keyword, the tree command, is similar to directory. The difference is that it shows you what's within those folders as well, other than just showing you the list of the current directory you're in. So, tree, you're going to see. Okay, there's a lot more than I thought there was going to be. Alright, so within VM Workstation, it's showing you the tree, how it works. Okay, within desktop, everything's connected to desktop right here. VMware, within VMware, you have EMV, host ID, and within host ID, the tree continues a little branch. Continues the core local E. Within that, the branch continues the English. Let's clear the screen once more, and let's actually go back. The thing. If you go right here to the C drive, and you just click directory, and I don't recommend you follow along this part. Well, you can. Just warning, do not delete anything from here, because these are all system files, and if you delete any of this, you're in trouble. You're not in trouble, but you're not going to be happy. So, program files right here, this is where most of your stuff is going to go to. This is everything that you run on your PC will generally be in here. This is all your 64-bit stuff. So this program files directory, this is where most of your normal 64-bit programs will go. And wow, I'm pointing the wrong one. This program files directory right here This is where your normal 64-bit programs will go. This 86 one will be your 32-bit. I know this 86 can be confusing. I don't know why they named it this. 86, something that's higher than 64. You would think that this is the higher one, but it's not. This is the older 32-bit version programs that will be running within here. Alright, another folder that you want to get familiar with is users. Come across a lot. Now let's clear this up. If you type in dir for directory, you're gonna see there's users on here. Okay, so I'm a user right now. I'm the only person that uses this laptop, so just me, my user. But if you have other people that use the PC or laptop, everybody's gonna have their own profile. So right here I have my own profile, Derek. But if my mom, dad, sister, brother, girlfriend, we can create their own profiles and it'll be under here as well. So just keep in mind that each user will have its own profile. Let's clear that up. Another neat little trick is, not trick, they're just commands. Another neat little command is if you want to change the color of the background and the text, you type in color and it's just 2 digits or one number, one letter, so 0 and let's say C. Oh, just turned to red. Alright, we'll tap out color 0 F. Alright, back to white, or now I have white. Color 7B. Wow, okay, that is horrible. Alright, so back to normal. Now, if you remember from one of my last videos, the command to get options, so you can see what's going on, because you're probably wondering what color and what letters, what color. Well, you go to the command options, so it's bam, and it's going to tell you right here. 0 is black, 1 blue, A, blah, blah, blah. So F is bright white. That's why we had light aqua. Don't want that. So the reason why you need to put 2 digits is because 1 is for the background. So first digit is for the background, and second digit is for the text. So 7. Let's go to white. So let's just say we wanted a red background, C, and a yellow text. Yellow is my favorite color, by the way. So holy crap, that's not even. 7. Oh, I chose the wrong one. Okay, so what is that? C. Oh, let's go 4 for red. I had that all messed up. So 4, 6. All right. Let's come red alert command and conquer colors here. And if you want to go back to default, you just type in color. There we go. Just don't forget those options, guys. So /?. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If it was useful to you or helpful in any kind of way, please like, share, or comment down below. Remember that hands-on experience is key, so I recommend that you open up that Windows Command Prompt and follow along with me, step by step. If you'd like to learn more on how to use the Windows Command Prompt, go on to the next video in this tutorial. Until then, cheers.